Malakas ba maglagas ang buhok ng aso o pusa mo? Hi, Doc Ara here. Let's talk about shedding, o yung paglalagas ng buhok ng aso at pusa natin. This is actually a normal thing that happens to our dogs and cats' bodies. Ito yung paraan ng katawan nila para matanggal ang patay at damaged na buhok. Isa rin to paraan para ma-regulate yung body temperature nila. Lahat ng pets natin nagsished sila to some extent lamang. At meron rin scenario na tinatawag natin na seasonal shedding, kung saan mas matagal or mas heavy ang pagsished nila due to change in weather. Para yung tag-init to ulan or tag-ulan to tag-init. Pero kapag napansin nyo na tapos na yung shift ng weather, tapos ganun pa rin and mas lumalala yung pagsished ng buhok nila, dito na papasok yung abnormal shedding. Among the possible reasons of abnormal shedding, pwede sa stress, immune-mediated disease, poor nutrition, skin infections, allergies, external parasites. So, paano natin mamamanage ito? First is to groom your pets. Daily brushing is a must, plus kailangan meron silang weekly bath or kung kaya nyo silang ipagroom monthly. Second and foremost, nutrition. Ang dapat binibigay nyo is yung may omega fatty acids. Specifically, omega-3 fatty acids with DHA and EPA, in which nakita ko yun dito sa Wild Alaskan Salmon Oil ng The Perfect Paws. Since may EPA and DHA siya, it helps reduce inflammation sa skin at boosting yung skin and coat integrity ng dogs and cats nyo. Meron siyang 850 mg of omega-3 fatty acids in 1 teaspoon lang. So, nutrient dense talaga siya. Next tip, to vacuum and clean your place regularly. Maraming allergens sa area, let's say maraming dust. So, maganda mag-deep cleaning tayo mga fur parents. Next, update your tick and flea preventives. Baka naman kasi kaya nagangati sila, ang dami nilang garapata, pulgas, so double check nyo na yung balat nila. Pero kapag napansin nyo pa rin na talaga napapanot na yung aso at pusa nyo, still guys, don't forget to consult your veterinarian.